What if I told you that most losing investments happen before people ever buy a stock? Not because they picked a bad company, but because they started their research in the wrong place. Professional investors rarely begin by asking, should I buy this stock? Instead, they ask a much bigger question. What kind of market are we investing in right now? Here's the three-step framework many professional investors use to analyze the U.S. stock market. Step 1. Analyze the economy. Every investment starts with understanding the bigger picture. Is inflation rising or falling? What is the Federal Reserve doing with interest rates? How is the job market performing? Is the economy expanding or slowing down? These factors influence where money flows across the market. Even outstanding businesses can struggle when economic conditions turn against them. Understanding the macro environment helps you avoid fighting the market. Step 2. Find the strongest industries. Once you understand the economy, the next question is, which industries are likely to benefit? During different market cycles, different sectors outperform. Technology, healthcare, energy, financials, consumer staples. Every sector responds differently to economic conditions. Instead of randomly picking a stock, identify where institutional money is flowing. The strongest companies are often found inside the strongest industries. Step 3. Analyze the business. Only now should you begin researching an individual company. Forget the stock ticker for a moment. Study the business itself. How does it make money? Does it have a competitive advantage that competitors can't easily copy? Are revenue and earnings growing consistently? Is management making smart long-term decisions? Does the company generate healthy cash flow? And finally, is the stock reasonably valued? Even an amazing company can be a poor investment if investors pay too much for it. Professional investors don't simply buy great businesses. They buy great businesses at reasonable prices. When you combine these three steps, economy, industry, then company, you dramatically reduce emotional decisions and make more informed investment choices. No framework guarantees success, but having a repeatable process gives you a significant advantage over chasing headlines, social media hype, or the latest hot stock. If you enjoy practical investing content focused on long-term wealth creation and the U.S. stock market, subscribe and turn on notifications. New videos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.